Hello friends, till now we have discussed regarding the operational amplifier, inverting operational amplifier, non-inverting operational amplifier and their working principle gain. Today we will discuss regarding the adder circuit. How can we make a adder circuit using a operational amplifier? We can also say name weighted summer circuit or voltage summing circuit. Now in this figure, this is the adder circuit or weighted summer circuit. Now in the inverting terminal, there are several inputs V1, V2, V3 up to Vn, and with the inputs there is the different resistors are connected. With V1 R1, with V2 R2 is connected, with V3 R3 is connected, Vn Rn is connected. Now there is a feedback resistor Rn, and if we see the output voltage, if we calculate, then we will see that the output voltage will be the addition of the input voltages and the amplifications of input voltages. So let's see how we are getting the output voltage with respect to the input V1, V2, V3 up to Vn. Now if you see that for V1 through R1, I1 current is flowing. For V2 through R2, I2 current is flowing. Same here for I3 and In. So these are all connected with this wire. So current is flowing through this wire. So you can write I equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus up to In. Okay. Now we have already discussed this point. This is virtual ground point. How we are getting? We have seen that the open loop gain of a operational amplifier is infinity. So at that terminal we will get the virtual, at that terminal we will get the ground potential. So this terminal is says virtual ground terminal, because if we divide the output voltage V0 by the gain infinity, then V0 equals to 0. So the terminal input difference, if we name this V1 and this is VR, then V1 minus VR equals to 0, and V1 is connected to ground, so this will be 0. So VR equals to, will get 0 potential. So this point is virtually grounded. Now we also know that the input impedance of a operational amplifier is infinity. So this I current will only passes through this branch, as the input impedance is very high. So no current will passes through this branch. So total I current will passes through this branch. So this I will passes through RF. Okay, so if we can write I, then I equals to, we can write VR minus VR, current is flowing from this point towards this point. So VR minus V0 by RF, that will be the I current. So that I equals to the addition of all the currents. So I equals to what? I equals to the potential difference between this point and this point, that is V1, and this potential at that terminal is VR by R1. Same for I2, V2 minus VR by R2 plus V3 minus VR by R3 plus Vn minus VR by Rn. Now VR is nothing but the virtual ground terminal. So this is at that point potential we will get the 0 ground potential. So 0 minus V0 by Rf equals to V1 minus 0. So V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3 plus Vn by Rn. Okay. Now if we simplify, then we will get V0 equals to minus Rf into V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3 plus Vn by Rn. Now if we assume all the resistance values are same, then if we consider R1 equals to R2 equals to R3 equals to Rn, and equals to Rf, then we will see V0 equals to minus of, if I common R, then R will cancel out, equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus dot 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 plus Vn. So if that, then we will get V0 equals to the summation of all the input voltages. So we are seeing that this is performing the addition. So we can make a adder or weighted summer circuit using a operational amplifier. Okay. Thank you. Now let's do one numerical. Find out V0 output voltage of the following circuit. Now this circuit nothing but a weighted summer circuit. So weighted summer circuit, how to find out the output? Output is the summation of the input voltages and the ratio of the resistances. So from the previous studies we have seen the output voltage V0 equals to minus Rf into V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 dot 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 n. So here V1 connected with R1, Rf is the feedback resistance, V2 input, R2 is the resistance. If we compare this circuit with this circuit, so this is the Rf. So here Rf equals to 10 kilo ohm, R1 equals to 2 kilo ohm, R2 equals to 5 kilo ohm, V1 equals to plus 2 volt, V2 equals to minus 3 volt. So if we find out V0, then V0 equals to minus Rf into V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2. Now Rf equals to 10 kilo ohm, into 10 to the power 3 into V1 nothing but 2 volt and resistance R1 is 2 into 10 to the power 3 ohm plus V2 is minus 3 volt by 5 kilo ohm, 5 into 10 to the power 3. So, from here if we take common, these 2 will cancel out. Okay. So, that 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3 will cancel out. So, we will get 10 into 1 minus 3 by 5. Okay. So, we can write here minus 10 into 5 minus 3 by 5. So, from there we can write this 5 minus 2 into 2. So, we will get minus 4 volt. Output will be 4 volt. Okay. Now, if we change something in this circuit, suppose the input is now 20 volt plus 20 volt plus, so we are taking 20 volt input and V2 minus 3 volt. Then this calculation for V1 equals to plus 20 volt and V2 equals to minus 3 volt. Other all are same. So, we can write V0 equals to minus RF value is same 10 into 10 to the power 3 into V1 is 20 by 2 into 10 to the power 3 minus 3 by 5 into 10 to the power 3. So, from there if we calculate, then finally we will get minus 10 into 10 minus 3 by 5 that equals to 50 minus 10 into 50 minus 3 by 5 to, that is 47. So, minus 2 into 47 that equals to minus 94 volt, minus 94 volt. Now, point is that what will be the output? Is that output is 94 volt? Now, see, in the circuit the supply is given plus 10 volt and minus 10 volt. So, output will not go beyond the supply. Output will not go beyond the supply, either it will go up to plus 10 or minus 10 or in between plus 10 or and minus 10, not beyond plus 10 or minus 10. But here we are getting minus 94 volt. That means this output will go to saturation region, and in negative the saturation will come at 10 volt. So, that output voltage will saturate and the output voltage will be minus 10 volt. Okay, this is very important. In some numericals, this part is very important. In some numericals, we will see that the gain what we will get, that will be very high, and so that the mathematically calculated output will be very high, but supply is less than the calculated value, then we know that output will not go beyond the supply voltage. So, output will saturate and it will go up to the maximum supply voltage. So, that here we will get the minus 10 volt. Okay. Okay. Let us do another numerical. Find out V0. We have to find out the output potential. Now, we can see here two adder or summer is connected to each other. So, at that terminal what will be the output? Two inputs are given, V1 equals to 2 volt, V2 equals to 4 volt. Resistors are R resistors, kilo ohm resistors are connected. In this case feedback resistance is 10 kilo ohm. In this case feedback resistance is 10 kilo ohm and the resistance values are same. At that terminal input is 4 volt. Now what will be the output at that terminal? If this is V01, then V01 equals to, we know, minus resistance value RF is 10 kilo ohm, all are in kilo ohm. So, I am not changing it into ohm. 10 kilo ohm into 2 volt, 2 by 4 kilo ohm plus 4 by 4 kilo ohm. So, from here we can write this is minus 10 into half plus 1, that is nothing but minus 10 into 3 by 2. So, this is, we will get how much? Minus 15 volt. Now, what is the supply? Supply is plus 10 volt minus 10 volt. So, the output at that V0 actually we will get not 15 volt, it will get minus 10 volt. Okay? This is very important. Now, that will be the input at this terminal for the R4. So, for V0 we can write V0 equals to minus 10 feedback resistance into 4 by minus negative 10 volt plus 4 divided by 4. So, this 4 will cancel out. So, we can write minus 10 into 4 plus, that is minus 10. So, minus 10 by minus 10 volt. So, we will get minus 10 into 6 by minus 10. So, 10 will cancel out, we will get minus 6 volt. So, output at output terminal we will get minus 6 volt. The supply is plus 10 minus 10, output will be within that range. So, output is minus 6 volt. This is the answer. Thank you.